Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video I'm going to be taking a closer look at the Best Divers Octo clip with silicone ring. So this is a pretty traditional sort of Octo keep for your alternates, your alternate second stage, or Octo, whatever you call it. Something so that you can clip it off to a D-ring so it's attached to your hip but it's still quick release. So at one end you have a spring gate rotating clip, so you can clip this end off onto a D-ring and then that stays nice and secure. It's triangular, delta shaped, so it naturally kind of sits at the lowest position, kind of locks so it doesn't roll around too much. Rotates as well, so no matter which way it's always attached. Small section of nylon webbing, so it's nice and secure. It's also bright yellow, so you can see it quite easily. And then you have this ring of silicone that goes over the mouthpiece. I have a second stage here. So all you do is you stretch that over the mouthpiece of your second stage, and then that just clips it in position, holds it there. It can be shaken around, it's not going anywhere, but if your buddy needs air, you know you need to donate gas, you can grab hold of it and pull it free. So very simple, but very strong as well. There are some sort of clips that are all made out of silicone that just wear out over time, but because you've got this nylon webbing and this strong sort of plastic clip, it just means it's going to last a lot longer. More information on our website, simplyscuba.com. There's going to be a link to this product in particular down in the description below. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.